So like I was saying now, like if you are playing the chords, you gotta be very careful. Your chord one, your thumb, your middle finger, and your pinky finger. This chord one, make sure these ones are up. These two fingers, this one, and this one. Make sure this one and this one. Make sure they are up. Look at them like this. So yeah, so this chord one. Chord 1 is you do mi so, chord 2 re fa la, chord 3 mi so ti, chord 4 fa la do, chord 5 so ti re, chord 6 la do mi, chord 7 ti re fa, then come back to chord 1. Now, let me give you the musical or technical names in case you come across it, or you are teaching somebody, or you go out for an audition, or you want to play something, they ask you to play your dominant, or you say play subdominant, or play your leading notes, and you're like, what is leading notes? Or what is tonic? So let me give you a simpler or the advanced form of. Some persons are not really used to this, but this one will help you. So in case maybe you go out in a place, so or you see something, you will be surprised. So this is the technical names. They call them the technical or musical names of the chords. For example, chord 1. Chord 1, look at chord 1. Chord 1 is your do, mi, so. You can write this one down. It's easy, right? Chord 1 is do, mi, so. So when you hear tonic, when you hear tonic, it means you should play chord 1. Tonic means chord 1. So when you hear tonic, don't forget, this is the technical or the musical names of this chord. So, for example, when you hear tonic, tonic means chord 1. So you play do, mi, so, which is, look at it, do, mi, so. This is tonic. So chord 2. Chord 2 is what? Chord 2 is your re, fa, la, re, fa, la. You can write it down. Re, fa, la. Chord 2 is supertonic. That is the technical or musical name, supertonic. Then chord 3 is mi, so, ti, which is mediant. Chord 3 is your mi, so, ti. Mi, so, ti, which is your mediant. So mi, so, ti, your mediant. Do you get? So your chord 4 is fa, la, do, which is subdominant. Fa, la, do. Chord 4 is fa, la, do. It's called subdominant. So we have fa, la, do. It's called subdominant. Fa, la, do. It's called your subdominant. Then your chord 5, so, ti, re. Chord 5 is called your dominant chord. So, ti, re. It's called your dominant chord. Chord 5. So, ti, re. Dominant. Then we have chord 6, la, do, mi. Look at it. La, do, mi. Chord 6 is called submediant. 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 So that is chord 6. La, do, mi. So we have your chord 7. Chord 7 is leading notes. Leading note. Ti, re, fa. Ti, re, fa. So this is what we mean by when we call technical names or musical names. So when you go for an occasion, or you go for an audition, or you are playing and a music director like, give me your leading notes on that key you are playing on, he's telling you to play your T chords. Or the person say, give me your tone, give me your tonic, he's saying you should play your do, mi, so. Or the person say, give me your dominant, play your dominant. We say play your dominant. Dominant means your so. You get? You understand? So you can write this down. It's very helpful. You can write it down. So we have your tonic, chord 1, your supertonic, chord 2, your mediant, chord 3, your subdominant, chord 4, your dominant, chord 5, then your submediant, chord 6, your leading note, chord 7, then you go back to your chord 1, which is your tonic. So I believe you've gotten this right. I believe you've written this down, and I believe you've gotten it. So please, you must pay attention to your finger when you are playing. In the course of playing your this, you must pay attention to your finger. So for example, this is your chord 1. I'll do it again. Chord 1, use your thumb, and then your chord 3. then your chord 5. Sorry, your chord 1. Your chord 1 is your thumb, your middle finger for your 3, then your pinky finger for 5. You get, so this is the same thing applicable to everything. Chord 1, chord 2, chord 3, chord 4, chord 5, chord 6, chord 7, chord 8. So the same with the left hand. The same with the left hand. Do you get? So I've done the right. The same with the left. So let's practice the left hand. The left hand is your pinky finger first. Remember I said the left hand is already the reverse of the right hand. So the left hand is your picking finger first. Your picking finger, your middle finger. Your middle finger, and then your thumb. Then your thumb. So we have chord 1 for the left. See, this chord 1. Sorry, mi fa la. Chord 2, mi so 3. Chord 3, chord 4, chord 5. So these two will go up. Chord 6, chord 7, then go back to 1. So these two is going to go up. This finger and this finger, they are going to go up. Look at it again. Chord 1, do, mi, so, your chord 1. Do, mi, so, your chord 1. Then your chord 2. Your chord 3, mi, so, ti. You play together. Fa, la, do. Chord 4. You play fa, la, do. You play together. Fa. Then your chord 5. So, ti, re. Chord 5 you saw. Then your chord 6. La, do, mi, la. Then your chord 7. Hope you get it now. So we have da, da. So this is the principle about the chord. So if you can practice it, you can practice both the left and the right together, like. You see? So we have do, this chord do, chord re, chord mi, chord fa, chord so, chord la, chord ti, and chord do. Chord 1, chord 2, chord 3, chord 4, chord 5, chord 6, chord 7, and then your chord. Go back to chord 1. This is your 8. Now, basic chord this one 8 or chord 1. So you can practice this both hands together. Practice your right hand and your left hand. So in my next class, lesson 30, I'm going to be teaching playing. I'm going to be teaching. This is all the chords I'm just giving you. And play both the everything. I've not given you the different. I've not differentiated the major between the minor. I've not given the difference between the major and the minor. So everything, I'm playing all the chords together, all your chords. So in my next class, lesson 30, I'm going to be giving the difference between the major and the minor chords, and then I'll be teaching you how to use the major chords to play song. So you won't want to miss my next lesson. You don't want to miss my next lesson. I have to use the major chords to play song. And then I will teach you chords inversion, like your chord 1. Like for example, your chord 1 now. This is your chord 1. Then your chord 4. So instead of playing your chord 4 like this, you can actually play. Then your chord 5. Instead of playing like this, you can actually play. So I'm going to teach you inversion of all the chords. Inversion means you're going to play all the chords in their different style. All the chords. I'm going to teach you the major, the minor, inversion of these major and minor chords, then how to use your major and minor chords to play song. So you wouldn't want to miss my next lesson. So just practice this one I've given you. I will see you in my next class. Don't forget, you can always follow me on my Instagram on Mogbo Bright Keys, on my Instagram, and follow me on TikTok on Mogbo, and follow me on TikTok Bright Keys 0, my TikTok Bright Keys 0, and then you can follow me on Facebook Bright 2 on Facebook. And then you can always drop your comments and your question in case you don't understand what I'm teaching. Please subscribe to my channel. If you know you love my video and if you know you love me, you want to share some love, please comment love this video, like and share this video, and subscribe to my channel as well. God bless you. I will see you in my next lesson. Thank you. Please rehearse, rehearse, rehearse. Oh, if you don't rehearse, there won't be perfection. So you have to rehearse. See you in my next lesson.